Hello, this is Richard Lay, and this is going to be the first video in my C++ tutorial series, or more of a refresher series. These series of videos are some of them are meant to teach, some of them are just refreshers. Even though that doesn't really make sense, I don't really care. But yeah, let's get started. This episode will be about the basics of C++, so we'll go to, and I'm using code blocks 10.05 right now, as shown up here. But we're going to start off by going File, New, Project. And since it's just going to be basics, I'm just going to go with an empty project though, just because. So this will be basics. And I'm only creating a debug because this won't really be released. And I don't like having extra folders because it makes me feel like I'm overpopulating my hard drive. So click on Finish, and then you should have a little project right here. Right click on it, Add Files. Never mind, don't do that. I thought that would be something, but this little icon right here, same as going to New File, and you're going to want to add a C++ source. Make it C++. And you navigate over to the folder that you're going to be in. It should come up automatically. And then you just type in, since this is the only one that's going to be in here, and this is basics, main.cpp. And save it. And then you click on all. And then you start off with this. Include iOS. I'm sorry about any of the noise. I'm recording this in the welding shop. Mainly because today there's really not much going on. So I decided this is the perfect time to record. But you will do all this good stuff. Everything got really quiet in the welding shop, so I don't really want to raise my voice too high. But include IOStream. It's the basis of any C++ program, and that's pretty much input-output. If I'm looking at it correctly, then you're going to want to do string. Wait, no, not string. stdlib.h. And then you're going to want to include string after stdlib.h. And then right underneath that, using namespace std. Then you make a new function called int_main. And then you add these. Coot is like a print function. Like it will print out the text that you enter. So this will be hello world. Whoops. End L ends the line for another line to be made. Just like the enter button. Just like the enter button, it is like that. This video might not even be fit for YouTube, but if it is, then you can all say that I'm wrong. Underneath that, you're going to put return 0, semicolon. And now it should be suitable to run. And then this right here, hello world. That's the output of it. That's pretty boring. At least I would think it is. So now it's time for some fun. Hello user, what is your name? Name. And we're going to navigate over there. We're going to put in string name. And sin, CIN is that one was a particularly loud one. But CIN is pretty much the input part of the I/O stream, input and output stream. This is output, this is input. So we're going to have it set to the name. And keep hello. And system pause, just so that way outside of the code blocks environment you can run it and you can see what it does. But it asks you, hello user, what is your name? My name is Richard. So we'll do that, and then we'll press any key to continue, and we're finished. Simple as that, and that's really all that's all this video is going to be about. I feel that this video is going to be really short, but it should help out people with some of the basic stuff. So that's all, and have a nice day.